today and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we're making a quick bite to eat today. Yes, we're making shrimp tacos. Before I start cooking, I'm just gonna take 1 minute from your time and I'm gonna show you that's what I received in my email. Yes, Let's Cook It reached the 10,000 subscribers. That was a long road to reach the 10,000 subscribers. The biggest thanks is to you guys. The biggest thanks is the 10,000 subscribers. I will thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, and you were the fuel for this channel to reach the 10,000. And I do promise you that I'm gonna keep going and I'm gonna do my best to add an extra zero as soon as possible to the 10,000. So thank you again everyone, and let's start with our shrimp taco. I'm gonna chop some iceberg lettuce here, cheddar cheese. I'm going to put it beside the lettuce, and now I'm gonna make the filling, which is here. All what you can do, just like make small line in the avocado, and I'm using here a small avocado. And if you want it diced small, you can keep slicing and make sure don't go through the skin. Push and you'll see it all small dice coming out. Some tomato I'm gonna slice as well. Did I say I'm gonna slice? Actually, I'm gonna dice. Yes, so I'm gonna dice them. And the small dice go in. Onion, we're gonna small dice it as well. I have here some fresh cilantro, and it's going to be a rough chop, and goes in as well. Fresh squeezed lime, and of course a little salt and pepper. Now give it a nice mix. Perfect, that's how they're gonna look like. Now let's put them on the side here. And now I'm gonna do the drizzle, which is the sauce on top the shrimp. I'm gonna put mayonnaise, the mild seafood sauce, a little bit smoked paprika, a little bit lime juice, fresh squeezed lime juice, and let's mix it. Beautiful. This is a drizzle on top of the shrimp, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill it up in one of this squeeze bottle. I'm gonna grill mark the tacos, and this is the mini tacos. It's a soft shell mini tacos, probably I would say about 5 inches. And the shrimp, I bought the popcorn breaded shrimp, and we're gonna fry them, which is sizzle them, and ready to put everything together. So turn the stove on the medium high, both of them, because we're going to grill and sizzle the shrimp. I have here a few garlic. I just want to add it with the oil. And just gonna smash them. I'm not going to chop it, just smash and put in the oil. The garlic. We're just gonna infuse the oil with the garlic flavor. And now the shrimp. And of course, amigo here is going to put a little chili on top of it for more flavor. Perfect. Now turn it down to medium. Tortilla flour, we're just gonna mark them, and look at that lovely crispy shrimp here. Almost ready. Perfect, that's all what we're looking for. Let's see our shrimp here. Yummy. Can you hear that? Now turn off. Let's prepare the rack for the tacos, and the mark side always to outside. Now we'll put the shredded lettuce, the iceberg in the bottom, and we're gonna put the mix we did which is onion, avocado, tomato, and cilantro with a little lime. Some cheese. And the crunchy shrimp on top. Voila. Look at that beauty. And a little drizzle of the sauce we make. Yum. And sizzling shrimp taco. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.